Okay, guys, so we've actually made a couple of commits so far. Since the beginning of this series, we've made like a couple of commits. I think one or two commits. Let's say you actually want to like you want to check your history book, you want to check the logs of changes that have been made, of commits that have been made. There's actually a way to do that, a very easy way. You can use the command called git log, then you hit enter. Now this is going to pull out all the sessions, all the commits that you've made. Now if you recall, during the first part of this, at the beginning of this series, we actually told Git what we actually told our Git bash who we want our author to be. If you can recall, we set our author to be Geeky, and then we used this email address. Now any change that we made was actually made by this author and this email address. So this is one of the advantages of telling Git who you are. So any change that is made, Git will be able to say, okay, so this change was made by this author. Now as you can see, it also pulls up a time and a date for the commit. Then now one thing you should note is that each commit has a unique identifier. Different commits have different identifiers. So this is the identifier for this commit, this is the identifier for this commit, and this is a message. This was our first commit, this is a message we entered, and this is a message we just entered for our second commit. So that is how you can check your git log. That's how you can check your history book, guys. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.